Welcome everyone. Here in this video, we are going to focus on area of sector and length of an arc. In previous video also we have discussed about area of sector. I have told you sector sector is a part of circle. It can be complete circle, it can be semicircle, it can be a quadrant that we have discussed in the previous video, and also we have discussed about the formula. In textbook page number 150, the formulae and the diagrams are explained, so you can refer that page in your textbook page number 150. Here I have shown you some examples of the sector. Also I have given you the definition of sector. What is meant by sector? Sector means the region between two radii and the corresponding arc. This region is known as the sector. दो रेडियस के बीच और एक करस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क के बीच का जो जगह है, इट इज़ नोन एज सेक्टर. दिस सो हियर this part, this orange part is the sector. Similarly we have some more examples. Here which part will be the sector? Yes, correct, the blue region is the sector in this case. Also here I have mentioned the angle, measure of the angle and the radius of the circle. See, whenever we have to find out area of the sector, what is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here everything is known. 360 is the number, pi is the number. What we need only the value of radius and we need the value of angle, central angle theta. So whenever these two values will be given, we will be able to find out the value of area of sector. Here one more example I have given. Okay, now see, here I have written L. Here it is shown as L. What is sector? Sector is a part of the circle, area of the part of the circle. And what is length of arc? Now second one is length of arc. Okay, so what is length of an arc? Length of an arc is the part of circumference. Means, see, this is your circumference, this total boundary is the circumference. When we will cut any part, for example I am cutting this part, ये पार्ट हम लोग ने कट करके निकाल दिया, आपने पास ले लिया. So this is your arc and we have to find out the what will be the length of this arc. So for this also we have a formula, theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. This is the formula. So here again 360 is the number, pi is number, 2 is number. What is remaining? Radius and theta. So here also the value of radius and theta will be given to you, and with the help of this you will be able to find out length of arc. Here I have given the formula, you can see theta upon 360 they have written here, and then 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? Because it is related to the circumference, and there area of sector, why it is pi r square? Because it is related to the area, it is part of the area. Now here what is given? Major arc and minor arc. This also I have explained you earlier. Whenever this angle will be less than 180 degree, तो जिसके सामने 180 से कम वाला एंगल है वो होगा माइनर, और 180 से ज़्यादा है तो मेजर. और यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड आउट, जो बड़ा है वो मेजर, जो छोटा है वो माइनर. Similarly here one more example is given. The red part in this circle, the red part, The red boundary is the length of arc. Now we will move to the exercise practice set 7.3, question number 1. So here all the questions are very easy. Let's see this. And one more thing I forgot. See on if you will see on page number 150 in your textbook, relationship of length of arc and area of sector is given. Relationship of length of arc small l and area of sector is given. A means area of sector and L means length of arc. So when you will multiply length of arc by R upon 2, then they will be equal. See, I am repeating once again. When you will multiply R upon 2 to the length of arc, it will be equal to the area of the sector. So again, this is the formula. I think we will use it in the exercise. So now let's start the exercise 7.3, question number 1. Read the question. Radius of the circle is given 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of a circle is 54 degree. Measure of an arc of a circle is given 54 degree. Means R is given 10 and the value of theta, measure of arc, is 54 degree. So this is given to us. The value of the theta is 54 and we have to find out area of the sector associated with this arc. So area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. The value of theta is given 54, that we know. The value of pi here, it is given 3.14. 3.14 we will write, and radius is 10 and 10. So 10 tens are 100, and you can calculate anyhow. So when you will calculate this, you will get this, and final answer will be 47.10, and then you will write the final answer in the statement. See, whenever you will find area, then your answer will be centimeter square. Let's see the question number 2. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree. Its radius is 18 centimeter. We have to find out length of arc. So in first one, what we have found, question number 1, we have calculated area of sector. And now in question number 2, what we are calculating? Question number 2, what we are calculating? Length of arc. So please don't get confused in this. So whenever it will be length of arc, 2 pi r will come. So theta upon 360 upon 2 pi r. Again the value of pi is given 3.14. See, whenever the value of pi will be given, then we will write it 3.14 if it is given. If it is not given, then we will consider it as 22 upon 7. So here 3.14 is given, and the radius is 18. So, and the value of theta is 80. So when you will calculate this, you will get the answer. Okay, see, here I am doing little bit. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, only 0. So now it is 8 upon 36. Then 18 2s are 36. इसका 0 तो पहले से कट हो गया है. 18 2s are 36 और 36 भी चला जाएगा, और ये 0 भी कट हो चुका है ऊपर वाला. ठीक है. So what is remaining? 8 and 3.14. So 3.14 into 8 is 24.12. So it is length of arc. Length, किसी भी लेंथ को हम लोग, अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि एक थ्रेड है, उसका लेंथ मेजर करो, सो इट विल कम इन द सेंटीमीटर और मीटर. सो देयरफॉर लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज दिस मच सेंटीमीटर. हम लोग कभी भी कोई लेंथ को मेज़र करने के लिए सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर नहीं बोलते कि ये टेबल का लेंथ से 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. नो, when it will be area, then it will be centimeter square. When it will be only length, it will be centimeter only. सो यूनिट का ध्यान रखा करो. Now we'll move to the question number third. Radius of a sector of a circle is given 3.5 and length of arc is given 2.2. See here, radius is given, length of arc is given, and we need to calculate the area of the sector. So just now I said we have a relationship between length of arc and area of sector. So that formula we are going to use now. Area of sector is equal to length of arc multiplied by radius upon 2. So length of arc is 2.2, radius is 3.5 upon 2. So on calculation you will get this. Now here in question number 4, let's read it. Radius of a circle is given 10 centimeter. Area of the sector is given 100 centimeter square, and we have to find out the corresponding major sector. Okay, so let's calculate. The value of radius is given 10 centimeter. R is 10 centimeter. Area of the circle, area of the sector is given what? See here, I am drawing the diagram. Suppose here we have a circle and a sector. Okay, so what we have done, first we have calculated the area of circle. Area of circle means total area, ये पूरा का पूरा area. ठीक है. After this, area of circle is what? Pi r square. Radius is 10. So 10 tens are 100. 100 into this, 2 decimals will go, and your answer will be 314 centimeter square. And area of sector is given 100 centimeter square. So what I want to explain is, in this circle, the total area is given 100. Total area is given 314. Just now we have calculated. Total area 314, and the area of this part, this sector, area of this sector is 100. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the area of major sector, the green part. This part we have to calculate. So what we will do is, from area of whole circle, we will just subtract the area of minor sector and we will get the answer. So area of circle minus area of minor sector is equal to 314 minus 100, so 214 centimeters square. This is your answer. Now we will move to the question number 5. Here, area of a sector of a circle is given 15 centimeter. Area of sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter is 30 centimeter square. So your area of sector is 30 centimeter square. The value of R is 15. Okay, and we have to find out length of arc. So this question we have done, I think. Length of arc, this is the formula, the relationship of area of sector and length of arc. So area of sector is given 30, length of arc we will write as it is, radius is given 15. So this 2 and 15 will go that side. So length of arc here is equal to, sign will be there. This is equal to sign. Length of arc will go there. This 2 will go in numerator and 15 will come denominator. So 15 twos are and 2 twos are 4. So your length of arc is 4 centimeter. Next question is sixth one. Read it. In the figure, radius of a circle is given 7 centimeter. Measure of arc MBN. See, this is the measure of arc MBN. It is 60 degree. Find area of the circle, means we have to find we have to calculate total area of the circle, that we can find out with the help of radius only. Then we have to find out area of OMBN. See what does it mean? Area of OMBN means we have to calculate area. A means area, and O means we have to start from O, M, B, N. This area we have to calculate. Okay, and then what is the second part? What is the second part we have to calculate? Area of OMCN. Area of OMCN. This area means actually we have to calculate area of major arc and area of minor arc, also the area of circle. So nothing, no need to panic. See, area of circle we can calculate very easily because the value of r is given. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 7 is 154. So here we have got area of the circle. Now we have to calculate area of the minor sector, means area of MBN. This area now we are calculating, this one, the green part. So the angle is given 60 degree. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Pi r square here we have calculated 154. So no need to calculate it once again. So directly हम लोग pi r square की जगह पर 154 रख सकते हैं. Pi r square is 154. So here also I have written 154. Theta is your 60. So now on calculation we will get 154 upon 6 and 25 upon 7. Now again we want area of the major sector. So again what we will do, we will subtract area of the minor sector from the whole circle. पूरे सर्कल में से अगर ये वाला सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, सो व्हाट वी विल गेट ये वाला पार्ट. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज द एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. So on subtraction we will get the answer here. So now finally we will write all the answers in this way. Now here we have seventh one. See, again diagram is given. Let's read the question. In the figure, radius of circle is 3.4 centimeter. Perimeter of sector is given 12.8. Perimeter of sector, what is sector? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there in sector, means 2 radii and 1 length of arc. 2 radii and 1 length of arc. See here. Okay, this is meant by perimeter of the sector. So this is given to us, and we have to calculate the area of PABC. We have to calculate this area, means area of sector we have to calculate. See how to name the sector. We will write the center first and then the corresponding arc ABC. So let's see. First we'll write what is given. Perimeter of sector is given 12.8. So 12.8 is equal to radius, means 3.4. Again radius 3.4 and length of arc. So 3.4 will be 6.8, and 6.8 will go there. It will get subtracted, and the length of arc will be 6 centimeter. So the value of L is 6. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate area of the sector. So for that we know the formula, length of arc multiplied by radius upon 2. So length of arc just now we have got 6, radius is 3.14 upon 2. So we can calculate it very easily, and you will get the answer 10.2 centimeter square. Eighth one. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. You can see here complete circle is not drawn, but when you will draw it, somehow it will be like this, and then it will go further. ठीक है, ऐसे एक सर्कल है, but they have drawn only the sector part, so don't get confused. O is the center of the circle. ROQ and MON is given 60 degree. ROQ you can see means this angle and the total angle, actually it is same only. These two angles are given 60 degree. OR is given 7 here. See in diagramma, whenever I read any letter, any segment or letter, you should see in the diagram. OR is given 7, OM is given 21 centimeter. We have to find out length of our arc. RXQ means this length, RXQ, and the length MYN, this length. Okay, so for that what we need is, let's see first length of arc. First we will write all the values for this arc, for RXQ radius and theta, and for MYN radius and theta. Then for length of arc RXQ, this smaller arc ये वाला RXQ के लिए now we are applying the formula theta upon 360 2 pi r. Theta is 60 degree, the value of r is 7, so easily we can calculate. ये 0 0 कट जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 6 6 जा, then this will be 2 3 जा. Okay, so and 7 7 cut, so we will get 22 upon 3. इस 7 तो कट गया है, 22 upon 3. So when you will calculate 22 upon 3, you will get 7.3 as answer. So this is your length of smaller arc. Now similarly we will calculate the length of the major arc, the bigger arc also, not major. Here again length of arc is theta upon 360 upon 2 pi r1. Here we have taken radius as r1 because earlier also we have taken radius. Okay, huh. So this radius is 21. Same thing we are doing, huh? 66 za, in denominator 6 is there, this will cancel 3 za, and then 3 and 7 za, 7 and 7 cut. What is remaining? 22. So 22 is the answer. Now we will move to the 9th question. Okay, see 9th one. If area of sector, it is P dash ABC, it is sector. Area of the sector is given 154 centimeter square. Radius is given 14 centimeter. Means R is given, area is given. So what is missing? Central angle, that is the value of theta is missing, and we have to find angle APC. Okay, theta find karna hai, and second we have to find out length of arc ABC. So it is very simple, I think. See, this is given, theta is missing, so we will apply the formula area of sector, because area of sector, the value of area of sector is given, so we will apply the formula for area of sector only. So this is 154, theta we don't know, radius we know, and the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So what we will do, theta will remain here only, बाकी सब को transpose करो. So whatever number is there in the denominator will come in numerator, and the numerator numbers will go in denominator. So you will get something like this. Okay, so on calculation you will get theta as 90. So your angle APC is 90 degree. This is looking like. Now after getting this as 90 degree, now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate length of arc ABC. So we know area of sector is equal to length of arc into R upon 2. So this value is given 154. Length of arc of ABC we have to calculate. So what we will get is, see here, ये हो जाएगा 2 7 जा 14, ऊपर है हाँ 7, and when this 7 न्यूमरेटर का 7 इधर आएगा तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. So 154 upon 7 will give 22. So Your answer is 22 centimeter. Now here, next question, that is 10th, 11th and 12th. I have given homework. You solve it. If you will have any doubt, you can ask me. Put the query in Scan ID app. Okay. Question number 13. Triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. See, it is an equilateral triangle. LM is given 14. So all your sides will be 14, 14, 14 only. Three sectors are drawn with the vertices as centers and radius as 7 centimeter. So just consider this as the center of circle, huh? These three vertices are the center of circles, and a sector has been drawn with radius 7. So ये सब 7 7 7 का ही है. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Find out area of triangle LMN. So since it is an equilateral triangle, we know the formula for area of equilateral triangle, root 3 upon 4 into side square. Okay, so side is 14, 14 square. Then when we will calculate this, you will get 196. Since the value of root 3 is 1.732, so we will write instead of root 3 we will write 1.732 into 49. You will get the answer. So this is your area of equilateral triangle. Now further what we want, we have to find out in second one area of any one of the sector. So they are finding this area, ye wala. So see, actually here the value of theta is not given, but it is given that it is an equilateral triangle. So since it is equilateral triangle, each of the angle will be of 60 degree. So angle is 60 and radius we know it is 7. So with the help of angle and the value of radius, we can find out the area of sector. So your angle is 60 degree, radius is 7. This, so on calculation 60 6 are 7 and 7 gets cancelled, and 22 into 7 is 154, or a denominator में 6. So on calculation you will get this answer. Now total area of three sector will be since all the three sectors have same angle same angle, and their radii are same, so they will have same area. समझ में आया? तीन के तीनों सेक्टर्स का रेडियस सेम है 7 7 7, और उनका सेंट्रल एंगल मतलब थीटा का वैल्यू भी 60 60 60 है. तो इसका मतलब तीनों का एरिया सेम ही होगा. सो टोटल एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन सेक्टर. सो 3 इंटू दिस विल बी 77.01 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of the shaded part. Shaded means ये जो बीच में जो colored part है ना, this area we have to find out. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये पूरे triangle में से देखो, ये पूरे ट्रायंगल से अगर समझो कि मैं सीजर से ये कट करके बाहर निकाल दूँ, ये सीजर से कट करके बाहर निकाल दूँ, और ये सीजर से कट करके बाहर निकाल दूँ, सो बचेगा क्या, ये मिडल वाला पार्ट, तो जो शेडेड पार्ट है. सो बाहर निकालना मीन्स व्हाट, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम होल. ये जो पूरा जो बड़ा वाला फिगर है, ये पूरे में से हम लोग को 1 2 और ये तीनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस, because we have area of triangle also and we have area of three sectors also. So we can subtract it very easily. From area of triangle we have to subtract area of three sectors. So 84.87 minus 77.01, it will give 7.86. So this is the answer. So here we have finished the exercise. Thank you all.